Those are the buy one get one. Those are the newer battery. All right, these are the new Milwaukee deals just dropped at the stores. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I wish I had one of these for the shop, for the channel, but they're $7,000 a piece, so they're not any cheap, but they are kind of affordable. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So to start here, we're gonna start with OPE. So let's clearance 206 down from 279. So 40 volts, 600 CFM blower. It is the kit. It's on clearance. We got a mower here, 295 down from 449, 22 inch. All right, so that's the same thing. And that's what it looks like. It's a Murray brand, 22 inch, 2-in-1 self-propelled mower. It is gas. You got a pull saw and a top handle or chainsaw, 159 down from 299. 18-inch gas chainsaw for 296 down from 369. Not bad. All right, so $80 is a power jet lift blower. And then 85 down from 399. This is the Suncast patio storage and prep station. You can use this as a nice bar for your backyard. You know, store maybe some ice under there or something, nice chest. You know, put your beverages or whatever you have to serve for your guests. Rubbermaid Bridgeport patio cabinet, 170. This is very similar. I think I like the other one better, like a little bar style or something. So definitely you can use this for the patio, or even for the garage. Why not? Shop. All right, so this is a starter kit. This is like a Homer's Universal kit. This is $29, $20 off on that one. And then you got the oscillating toolkit. This one does come with 2 blades, a charger, and a battery for $99. Not bad. This is actually a pretty good deal. Still pretty dang good deal on that one. $47 on clearance. This is the big jugs. Those are the 10-gallon. And then you got the 5 for $24. You got this one on clearance. This one's for the tool rental place. $354. This is a Makita. I believe it's a 20-inch chainsaw. All right, you got the blue matte paint on this 56-inch, $848. That's pretty good price for this one. Premium brand or premium version of the Husky. All right, talking about premium, this one's actually even better deal for the same amount of money. You get top and bottom for $898, down from $998. This is actually a pretty good, pretty nice solid toolbox there. 52-inch double drawers, double bearings. All right, you got the blower kit for $199. Angle finish nailer kit for $399. A roofing coil nailer kit for $399. A brand nailer kit with 2 ampere battery for $319. And then you got a framing nailer there for $379. And then there to the right, you get an 18-gauge brand nailer for $319. Angle finish nail for $399. All right, those are the newer batteries. I guess, I don't know if they just put a new plastic on the outside. Guys, my 8-amp-hour battery went bad. My DeWalt 8-amp-hour battery went bad, so I'm gonna see if I can jump start it or something so get it charged. But I think it's not gonna come alive, and I haven't used it. I mean, I haven't used it a lot, so that might be a reason why, because I haven't cycled it. All right, these are the new deals. Yes, these are the new Milwaukee deals, the new hacks. Buy one, get one free. You buy any corresponding tool on the top, you get the 8-amp-hour battery for free. Or you buy the bottom tools, you get a 5-amp-hour battery for free. Check out the top handle chainsaw there for $349. SDS rotary, 1-inch SDS rotary. The bandsaw for $329. Circular saw, and then the vacuum for $219. That's a really good one because it drops down to close to $100. And then the bottom deals are the angle grinder, the 100 reciprocating saw, even that vacuum, guys, the packet vacuum. That's a really good one. And you got the packet rapid charger, the oscillating tool, the high torque impact wrench, guys. Go get them, hack them. That's $100 off on this impact wrench. That's a killer deal on that one. And you got the 6-port charger there, or the pack out charger. You got the 12 amp hour battery. That's not the one you're going to get for free, but you are able to hack this one. This one comes down to $110 if you hack it. That's a killer deal on that battery. You got the angle grinder there, the 199. That is the battery you're going to get for free with the lower tier, the bottom tier. And then the higher tier is going to be that 8. Hopefully, valued at 159 for that one. That's the pack out vacuum and impact driver. And then one-handed reciprocating saw there to the middle. Down at the bottom, you got the circular saw valued at $229. You got this bandsaw valued at $329. And I can't see the other one. I'm kind of blind. So, all right. So on these deals, these are buy one get one free, or buy one get one for, basically for $1. So you buy the drawers and you get a rolling cart basically for that amount. Or you can buy this for $99 with the rolling cart and the toolbox. Those are the drawers. For $119, you can get to buy those and get that rolling cart. I already got the buy more, save more for the DeWalt's. I believe we went over these. I'm not going to go over them in detail, but the best deal is the $4.99, get $150 off. That's definitely a killer deal on that one. Drops down to around $200, a little bit more than $200. So that's a pretty good deal on that one. And you got drawers, all sorts of tools you guys can choose from. $19.88 for this Master Diamond blades, but check these out, guys. These are in clearance if you can find them at your store. These are the Diablo oscillating blades for $5 from now $19.88. That's a really, really good deal. And then this was at the store. Those are the buy one get one free. Those tools that are on the back. Get those batteries for free. Hack those deals. And then you got the tape measure, the Milwaukee tape measure. Anyways, that's it for today. Just a really short video. I just want to show you guys mainly the Milwaukee deals like these. That's a really nice chainsaw. They're really thinking about getting that chainsaw. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.